everyone. Thank you for watching this upload. You can find the link to my latest upload in the description, as well as links to my Twitter page, Instagram page, and SoundCloud page. Below that, you can find links to my latest EAS video, my latest siren video, my latest DJ video, and my latest vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys during the next upload.